Wednesday, July 29, 2020, the whip of the main opposition APC party at the Saloon Parliament, Honorable Hassan Sise, write one letter to the Member of Parliament for Constituency 66 Nakarine District, Honorable Mohammed Bangura. According to the letter, the APC whip, Honorable Sise, say the party not glad with the way and manner how Honorable Mohammed Bangura be left the well of Parliament full before term Tuesday, July 28, 2020. This na term where Parliament before approve the appointment of the National Electoral Commission NEC boss Mohammed Kone. But as this been the APC party been get stronger position against this. Say, Parliament not agree for Mohammed Kone for be the NEC boss because according to them, Mohammed Kone not qualify as the Saloon law say. This be make the APC MP them been denied for the approval of the NEC boss through voice votes. We make later the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Dr. Abbas Cherno Bundu, make MP them vote by head count. This na the term where Honorable Mohammed Bangura left the well of Parliament and not tell nobody or even take excuse from the Speaker or in party leadership na Parliament. Later, APC been get 51 votes and the SLPP been get 78 votes. This make the APC leadership na the Saloon Parliament don't write Honorable Mohammed Bangura this letter who said the APC whip Honorable Hassan Sise say the party no say Honorable Mohammed Bangura be then at the well of Parliament the term for this debate for grief for the new NEC boss or not. But Honorable Bangura been just left the well of Parliament by willful, where in fact it be no waiting be they go on na Parliament. The APC whip, Honorable Hassan Sise, end the letter with question where he asked Honorable Mohammed Bangura, say, with all waiting in saying at the letter concerning waiting happen at the well of Parliament and waiting Honorable Mohammed Bangura do, why Honorable Mohammed Bangura thinks say the APC party not for take action against them. This letter been later leaked na the social media and it not clear as to who that leaked this letter, but Honorable Mohammed Bangura self don't reply to this letter from the APC party as it try for defend himself for sake of the action where he been take we make him party not look glad with them. Inside this interview with Black TV Online, Honorable Mohammed Bangura start for talk about what he think about the letter where him party write to him concerning this issue.
The letter is surprising. It surprised me because of the content of the letter. You see, make I explain to you why now for disciplinary. Because I left the well unauthorized. To them, I tell them, I say in the first place, when you say I left the well unauthorized, it is not our practice as members of Parliament. When I want come, when I want go, na my own business. You know, I tell nobody. So for stating at the letter, you know, I say not correct at all. And for also say, me action it seems for me militating against the party. I say not correct also. For not voting in the House of Parliament, it's my constitutional right as a member of Parliament. It is my constitutional right for look at things where they bring the Parliament and abstain from voting or vote. So the letter gets any grounds at all. If not, they write out of malice.
But the next question for Honorable Mohammed Bangura, now why he been left the well of Parliament Mongbeng just the term for vote for this motion for grief for the NEC boss or not, and not be make in position clear whether he support in APC party or the SLPP or no party where he be no clear one say Parliament for make this important decision that same day.
The party make a letter to Parliament and they make also a press release with the issue out. Let me tell you, my brother, what did the party think and what did Parliament think are two different. We members of Parliament will get a duty and responsibility for go represent the people and the country at the well of Parliament, devoid of party lines. So when the party make the position to Parliament, the caucus leader of Parliament, the parliamentary caucus leader of APC, when he receives short communication, if I don't call we to a meeting and say, this na in the party seal, what you not think? We talk about that. Because we all go school, we all they read. the issue where they carry in parliament, na issue where they read am. So we for don't able for come into compromise towards the issue where the party raise. Perhaps enough for reach to say reach. Perhaps if we don't go tell the party say, not so or not so, but you don't do am at all.
Honorable Mohamed Bangura, as you dey say, he be no party imposition on this issue, but he clear say he still not support party imposition because he say them as MP them not been talk about this position to themselves as the APC leadership not been give the APC MP them this chance. But another argument go say if Honorable Mohamed Bangura been clearly no party imposition on this issue, why he still make Trangayes and not enough by party determine party need more? This make Black TV Online put him to Honorable Mohamed Bangura say if he not think say he betray party or make party look funny in a public.
Let me say this, my brother. The party, the national party, national executive, not to the right me. Look, get a clear distinction of voting the party secretariat headed by Ambassador Yansane. Not to the right me. This na the parliamentary caucus in which Honorable Cherry Coco is leader, Honorable Ibikabo is deputy leader, Honorable Hassan whip. Now they write me. So law gets that very clear. When they write me, I reply them. I don't reply the national executive. I reply them na parliament. I tell them what I remind them of my duty as my functions as a member of parliament. And I also remind them failure of their own duty.
So what now be their own duty with them?
Their own duty now for bring the caucus together. For anything where they talk in parliament, then for don't hold meeting. Their own duty now for go across, because we APC alone, the number we get in parliament, is not able to make any difference. So what is them for to do? Then for don't talk to C4C, then for don't talk to NGC, then for don't talk to the chief then for don't talk to independents. Just talk to them. You don't know who that will support you.
So because they not talk to them party and they make you
support
your own party?
Of course. Not that. Because they don't talk to them, possible say na could not get votes from them. Look how they vote.
But the APC
we'll get 51.
The APC gets support from the C4C. 4 MP them vote in favor of APC.
Well, if 4 MP vote in favor of APC, then at 51. Minus the 4 MP there. We vote for APC. And out of 51, we take 4. Now almost done. Not to 47. APC get 57 seats in parliament. So how about the other remaining members of parliament? Who said anything?
So you point finger say then they try for chase or target you won?
Yeah, of course. Look at no. First 4 APC, SLB MP voted for APC. So 47 APC actually. So wait there. We don't ask them. But if they may not call meeting like 2 days before the sitting, therefore don't know whose MP will go there or who's will not go there. Therefore don't send a circular out to all MPs them for hearing. So that time they if we don't get 57, if we all votes. So we see for 4 can votes for APC now added.
So you punish your party in position for not voting because you think they don't do the right thing as you say?
No, not because they don't do the right thing. Because I feel say na my constitutional right, and the matter will be in a parliament, it is for the Supreme Court to decide if the man is qualified or not. Supreme Court only then go decide that.
But why Honorable Mohamed Bangura go against in party position?
Well, me, a member of parliament, I read and write. I read the constitution, I digest them, in and out. I see what me party ask me for do, not the wrong thing.
So what do you go say to people where they say you sell out on your own party?
I don't care. Now who don't sabi Mohamed Bangura and they talk say sell out, my friend. Me make myself in politics. Not a single individual responsible for would that be. Who stay at your APC? I don't make me name before I join APC. Who said? Are they in parliament as an APC member of parliament? But check the records. Since the Tewo go na parliament to now, would I not stand for APC pass me? The very day we go parliament, I was bundled out, beaten, and taken out of parliament because na me na the leader, na me lead the Bobo them, the MPs them, for revolt against the appointment of the speaker. From there, the time they attacked the party office, I was the only member of parliament and the only senior party official where they on the ground between the police and the party supporters, where they fire tear gas and they suck the tear gas, then sit down at the house, then they watch the scene at TV. They sit down at the house, then they watch the scene at TV. Me, they take down. After that, then go arrest me. They arrest me from parliament. Una all be know about that. They carry me go to CID and lock me up, all for APC. After that, I lead a demonstration. I meet that before from parliament to party office. What else can you do for your party? What else can you do? At a matter of voting, no voting, na him go be betrayal.
As you hear, Honorable Mohamed Bangura say he don't suffer past any other APC MP na parliament, but other person go still argue and ask him question. If na that go make enough support in party position, the term with very important issue like this we get for do with votes come up. Glad TV Online been try for get the side of the APC leadership na the Salone Parliament, but they not been agree for talk on this issue. And with the fact say this issue, we for been just be inside APC host issue, don't get social and mainstream media attention. People still wait for see waiting go be the next step of the APC party against their member, Honorable Mohamed Bangura. And this go be more so where Honorable Mohamed Bangura don't talk on this issue na plenty media host them. And not to secret say, the APC party no go gladdy for most of waiting Honorable Mohamed Bangura don't talk for sake of this issue. For Salone Parliament Eye on Glad TV Online. Mina Abdullah Glad reports.